How to enable standby on iPhone. So first, what you want to do, just simply open up your settings. Once you're there, you just need to scroll down till you see standby right here. And as you can see, standby will turn on when iPhone is placed on its side while charging to show information like widgets, photo frames, or clocks. So simply turn that on just by tapping on the switch button right here. And you could also set it to night mode, so standby displays with a red tint and a low ambient lighting. So this will only work if you charge your iPhone. So you need to tilt your iPhone on its side to show the standby, which is pretty cool. I always use this so that when I wake up, I can see the date, and I could also see the time. You just need to tap on your screen and the standby screen will show up, and it also looks pretty aesthetic, so I always use it. And that's how you basically enable standby on iPhone.